C3, transforming graphs of functions, example 15c. This time the transformation is a quarter f of 2x. So the 2 inside the brackets is multiplying the x values. So the x values in this example are going to be halved, which is going to look like a stretch in the x direction, scale factor of a half, or you could describe that as a squash in the x direction, scale factor of 2. So all the x values are going to be halved, and then the quarter outside the front is a multiplier. It's a quarter times f of 2x. This is going to be a stretch in the y direction, scale factor of a quarter, and that means the y values are going to be 4 times smaller. They're going to be multiplied by a quarter. So in this example, the origin isn't going to move. We've got a squash towards the x-axis of a scale factor 2, so the origin's not going to move, and we've got a stretch in the y direction, scale factor of a quarter. Again, the origin won't move, so the point stays where it is. A, however, will move. So like I said, the x coordinates will be halved, so 2 becomes 1, and then the y coordinates will be times by a quarter. If you remember, x kind of behaves in the opposite way that you would expect it to. There's 2 inside the brackets. You might think the x values would be doubled, but they're not. They get halved. The quarter on the outside means the y coordinates get times by a quarter. So B up here, and x values get halved, so 6 becomes 3, and the y values get quartered, 4 becomes 1. So that's part C.